Hello. Well, I had hoped to walk to the top of this little mountain here before dawn to get a nice bit of film of video footage of the sun coming up, but unfortunately it's blowing a bleeding gale up here. So I'm now hiding behind this rock because every time I stand up I get blown to my feet, so I'm waiting to see what happens because I've got a large expanse of nothing ahead of me. I'm not even that high up at the moment, unfortunately. There we are. Even the dog's hiding out behind the rock. It's an amazing morning though, it really is. Absolutely amazing. So I'll watch you around. Here we go again. Oh, bloody hell. It's even hard sitting down, and there's all this spin drift. Ooh, I'm not going anywhere this morning, that's for sure. I'll have to sit out on the top of this hill till. Oh shit. Never mind. See you later. This beats them all. Still, I lost my head torch because it blew off, so that was fun. There's a problem because it'll be light in about an hour, but Alpkit head torch, very good. Recommend it. We are watching the moon going down and waiting for the sun coming up. It's freezing, it's absolutely freezing. Scottish weather, I suppose you'd call it. So over and out till it gets a bit lighter. Even the dog's having a hard time, but there's nothing I can do about that either. So she'll have to sit it out with me.